Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Take your Maths note, let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. First Roman letter, pick out the rational numbers from the following. Answers are 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 6, 0 and 0 by 5. Except 2 by 0, all numbers are rational numbers. Second question, convert the following into its simplest form. The first one, 84 by 100. When you divide the numerator and denominator by 4, you get the answer as 21 by 25. Further, we cannot simplify this one. So, this is the simplest form of rational number. The second one, minus 27 divided by 108. When you divide the numerator and denominator by 27, you get the answer as minus 1 by 4. So, your answer is minus 1 by 4. Have you all got the correct answers? Yes. Let us recall about what we have learnt in the previous session. Define rational number. Any number is in the form of p by q is a rational number if p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Whether the number 5 is a rational number? Yes, 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So, it is a rational number. In today's class, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Let us solve the examples. Addition of two rational numbers. Example 1. Add 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. Here the denominators are same. Simply you can add the numerator. Solution 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so you can write the denominator as such and you can simply add the numerator. 3 plus 4 is 7. So your answer is 7 by 8. Example 2. Find the sum of 4 by 5 and minus 7 by 5. Here the denominators are same, but you have to add one positive rational number and one negative rational number. 4 by 5 plus minus 7 by 5. The denominators are same here, so you write the denominator as such. Write the first number 4 plus into minus is minus 4 minus 7. When it is in two different signs, subtract and write the greater number sign. This is plus 4 and this is minus 7. The difference between 7 and 4 is 3 and here the greater number sign is minus. So you write it as minus 3 by 5. So your answer is minus 3 by 5. Example 3. Find 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14. Here the denominators are different. When the denominators are different, we should take the LCM. Let us take the LCM. LCM of 7, 14. As you know very well, these are the answers of 7 table. 7, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Again do with the two tables. 1 and 1 2 is 2. You multiply these two numbers, 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So now you write here LCM of 7, 14 is 14. Now let us solve this one. 3 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14, which is equal to 3 by 7. You want to get the denominator as 14. So when you are multiplying this denominator by 2, you get the answer as 14. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. And here the denominator is 14. So you no need to multiply anything because your LCM is 14. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Similarly, 5 by 14. Now you reach the same denominator. If you reach the same denominator, simply you can add the numerators. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 14 is your answer. 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14 is equal to 11 by 14. Is it clear? Yes. Subtraction of two rational numbers. Example 1. Subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. So from 5 by 8 you have to subtract the number 3 by 8. So write it as from 5 by 8 you have to subtract 3 by 8. Here the denominators are same. So is it very easy to solve? Isn't it? So now the difference between 5 and 3 is 2. So you can write the denominator as such. Further we can simplify this one. These two are 2 tables answer. This 1 2 is 2 and this is 4 2s are 8. So you can write the answer as 1 by 4. This is a standard form of rational number. Now example 2. Subtract minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 7. From minus 6 by 7, I have to subtract minus 4 by 7. Minus 6 by 7, minus into minus plus, plus 4 by 7. Here the denominators are same. So you can write the denominator as such. Now this is minus 6 and this is plus 4. When it is in two different signs, you have to subtract and write the greater number sign. The difference between 6 and 4 is 2 and the greater number sign is minus. So your answer is minus 2 by 7. Example 3. Subtract 2 by 5 from minus 4 by 15. From minus 4 by 15, you have to subtract 2 by 5. These two are different denominators, so you have to take the LCM. LCM of 15, 5. These are the answers of 5 tables. 5 3s are 15 and 1 5 is 5. Again 3 table, 1 3 is 3 and 1. So yeah, LCM is 5 3s are 15. So you write here LCM of 5, 15 is 15. Minus 4 by 15 minus 2 by 5, which is equal to minus 4 by 15. You can write it as such because already the denominator is 15 here. Now here you want to change this denominator. When we multiply this 5 by 3, you get the denominator as 15. So this becomes minus 2 3s are 6 by 5 3s are 15. Now you got the same denominator. When it is in the same sign, You have to add and write the same sign. 4 plus 6 is 10 and you write the sign negative. We can simplify this one further. These are the 5 tables answers. 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Minus 2 by 3. This is the simplest form of rational number. Can you understand, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment. Thank you.